Hey everybody, it's Kelly from Team Flower, and I am here under my little Deflexis curtain. I wanted to just do a really quick little video about hanging flowers from something like this. It's all over the place in a lot of magazines and Pinterest things, and people love hanging candles. And so I just wanted to do a couple of safety tips for you. First, I love to use containers that are covered on all sides, and this one has a vent in the top, which I really like. And then attaching this actually to the wire above, I am using some wires. So you want to avoid things like fishing line that could potentially get warm and melt. You want to avoid any kind of combustible fabric. Anything that's not fire safe is important. So this is something that I like to use, and I have just made a circle and have one little knot here, and I looped it through. So just in case we get some wind going or something, it is totally secure there on the bottom. And then I am going to, and I don't have, wish I had a little bit more room, but we are limited on studio space right now in life. So I'm just gonna loop it up, and I'm actually gonna do the same kind of tie through. And as a little perk, this kind of holds tight all of my foliage and things that I've got in there above, and then I can pop my candle in here. And a quick tip with the candle on this, if you're going to be cleaning these out, and we all need to clean them out afterwards, just a little spritz of water in the bottom, not a lot. Whenever the candle melts, it will actually create a little barrier that separates from the candle, and so it'll be much easier to pop these out at the end of the night whenever you're going in there to clean up. When you're thinking about distances, I recommend holding your hand above, and if you can feel heat to the point that your hand feels warm, make a little bit of an adjustment, move some things around if need be. So this little piece in particular, it might be a good idea just to do a little attachment right here to weave this into some wire, just to create and clear some space for those candles to have room to breathe. So that's what I've got for you. Pretty easy. Good luck with your next floral hanging installation piece.